Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Food Treasure. Today we're going to bake. We're going to make vanilla cupcake. It is a very simple recipe. Let's begin with the ingredient. Okay, here are the ingredients. I have taken 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 150 ml of milk, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, 100 grams of butter, thickened cream, sprinklers for decoration, and vanilla extract. Okay, now let's begin with mixing. I'm just going to mix this flour with the baking soda. Now I'm going to take a bigger bowl and I'm going to put the butter in it. Make sure the butter is not too hard. Make sure it's in room temperature. And then I'm going to add sugar to it. And we're going to mix it. Now I'm going to crack 2 eggs. And mix it again. Now I'm going to add milk. Once the mixture is mixed, we're going to add the flour. Make sure you add flour gradually. So you can see it has mixed well. I'll show you the texture. It's nice and fluffy. As you can see, we've got the nice batter. I forgot to add vanilla essence initially, so I'm going to add it now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix it well. Okay, now we're going to put it on the tray. Okay, I've got the tray ready here with the baking sheet. You can buy this little cupcake baking sheet in any grocery stores. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shredded coconut on the bottom of the cups. This shredded coconut is optional. You don't have to have it if you don't have it in the home. Now I'm going to pour the batter on top of it. Make sure you don't fill it completely, just fill it halfway through because it is going to rise when we bake. While we are fixing this tray, make sure your oven is on preheat on about 180 to 200 degrees. Just let it settle down a little bit and it's ready for baking. Okay guys, so while the cupcakes are cooking, we're going to make whipped cream. I've taken this thickened cream. Okay. So for this thickened cream, I'm going to take 1 cup of the thickened cream. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add a bit more if you like sweet. I'm not too fond of sweet, so I'm just adding 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to whip it. Make sure when you are whipping it, make sure you check in between just to make sure it's not too thickened. So you can see that started to thicken. We can whip it a little bit more. You can see it's nice and thick now. So you can see it's nice and thick. We can whip it. So as you can see, it's thick enough. I think we should stop it now, because if we whip it too much, it will cuddle up. So now I'm going to put it in a piping bag. So you can see I've got a piping bag here. Now I'm going to fill this whipped cream into the piping bag, and then probably put it in a freeze for a while our cupcake is getting ready. That's ready. Okay guys, so after about 12 minutes of cooking, this is how our cupcakes looks like. So it's a bit hot at the moment. We'll leave it aside for a while to cool down before we put the whipped cream on top of it and decorate it. Okay guys, now the cupcakes has cooled down a little bit. I'm going to put the whipped cream on top of it. Now I'm going to add a bit of sprinklers on top of it. And our cupcake is ready to be served.